So the AI marketing proposal generator, this allows you to generate customized marketing proposals tailored to your client's needs with the push of a button using AI. Hey, welcome back to the AI Desktop from the Internet Business School. Today I want to show you how you can make AI marketing proposals using the AI Desktop. So from your dashboard, all you need to do is click on the AI marketing proposals icon, and it opens up a page looking like this. Now it's a really simple process. All you need to do is put in your business name. So I will put in the Internet Business School and the business website. And that is it. So you put in your business name and your business website. You'll probably want to test it with your own website first, but you can also put in competitors' websites, potential client websites. So once you've put in the business name and the business website, you just need to click Create Proposal. And now the software will go to your website, it will crawl your website, and it will now start generating this proposal and report. It takes about 4 minutes, so we'll wait a second and I'll come back to you. So the AI marketing proposal generator, this allows you to generate customized marketing proposals tailored to your client's needs with the push of a button using AI. And there we go. The report has been generated. It took 2 minutes rather than 4. And now it will appear below on a list and you can view back all the reports that you have made. At the same time, it also generates a Vault Proposals folder. So if you go to your Vault, you will see a new folder called Marketing Proposals, and inside there you will find the list of all your documents and PDFs that have been generated inside the Vault. There is also a nice handy link that you can click on to access that Vault as well. The report we just made was for the Internet Business School, and you can see here we can download the doc or we can download the PDF, and also if we want to, we can redo the report and get it generated again without having to type in the information at the top. So I'm going to click on the PDF and it opens up a nice PDF document for me. And on this PDF now I can obviously download it as I wish, take it away, I can customize it how I wish, I can put a front cover on it. If we're making a proposal to a potential client, then we probably will want to put a front cover on as well and maybe add certain parts we need to, but we can also probably use AI as well to help us expand this document. But this document gives us a brilliant base start and a pretty much good proposal to use overall. We get a nice welcome front page with the title, a AI generated image, and then a nice welcome message. And we can see here who generated it, our name and the date. As we go down, we will see a site performance mobile out of 100 for that current moment in time. Gives us a score here, and it also gives us a site performance for the desktop with some notes and things that we can do to improve. Now you can use this on your own website as well. It may help you see things that are missing from your own website. For now, we'll use the example as if we were giving it to a potential client. SEO optimization. So this tells us SEO tags that we could use to maybe improve our targeted keyword. So maybe SEO tags here, we have CPD accredited marketing courses, online marketing training courses, internet business training programs. So these are SEO tags. So we could even make pages based on these keywords. We could use H2 tags within articles or on the main homepage to also improve our SEO scores as well. This gives us a nice few SEO tags that we could start with. It gives us a nice SEO optimized intro as well that you could use, maybe for your meta description or maybe just on your website as well. It generates a FAQ section, so it's gone through your website and it's got an idea what the website is about, and now it gives you some frequently asked questions and the answers you can choose, and you could add these to your website as well as FAQs. Keep scrolling. It also gives us a list of marketing hooks, so these could be good using for promotional materials. You could use them on your adverts if you're using adverts, even on social media posts. So it's generated different types of marketing hooks. Stop guessing. Use CPD courses to boost your business. Don't leave it to chance. Thrive with CPD courses. Quit failing. Thrive with CPD accredited marketing courses. Don't rely on luck. Succeed with CPD marketing training. Now, you might not want the CPD marketing training. You might want to use your brand or a different word like courses. You might not want to use CPD. You might want to say online marketing CPD courses. So you can still customize these yourself, but it gives you a nice sort of hook baseline to start with. Carry on. It creates scroll stopping ads using AI. So it's generated some really cool eye-catching images that you can put on your social medias, as well as maybe Facebook ads as well, if that's what you're doing. Here we are. Some more. And this one's really cool. And then we have a really nice sort of hero image or banner image. And it's even got entrepreneur written on the book, which is very well done. That is, noticed that word as a keyword. That's very good. And then you've got a benefit stack. So this highlights the Internet Business School's product advantages, and it gives you structured benefit stacks. So it tells you career development or advancement, level up your marketing skills and open doors to lucrative career opportunities with our expert-led online courses. Master essential marketing tactics from foundational to advanced levels with our tiered course offerings. So it shows you benefit stacks. Again, you could work these into your homepage as well to boost your SEO. You could even use them as benefits to put on the sales page. Free bonuses. So this is about creating irresistible free bonus offers designed to enhance the Internet Business School product appeal and increase conversions. So it's giving you some ideas that if you want to offer some free bonuses alongside the main product, you could try these. And these are like one-to-one strategy consultations, maybe a one-off exclusive webinar with experts, lifetime access to course updates, premium marketing tools bundle, and then private online communities as well. Then it gives you a nice little summary at the end. And then it does this, and this is a new part I've seen added to this, is your proposal to help grow the business. And it gives you what kind of product you could offer, what kind of service, and then a fee. Now you can customize these to what you wish. If you think that the fee is too low or too high, you can change that, and you can also expand upon the actual offer. So the offer. So comprehensive SEO audits and optimization. It offers a price here, $2,499 as a one-time fee. We can see follow-through projects to keep scaling. So weekly social media content creation, $1,499 per month. So you can see there it's giving you ideas for new products and services that you can offer, and even a price range. I think that's a really, really good feature to add. And then additional comments as well. So this is the basic report you would get. Now you can obviously take this report, you can add your company logos to it, create a new front page, create maybe a longer summary, maybe a pricing table if you wish to expand this further. This gives you a brilliant baseline, especially when you're interacting with potential new clients, of what you can offer, and it saves a lot of time. This is all built inside your AI desktop. You haven't got to leave your platform. You can just stay here, generate your report, send it through an email. Again, your CRM is there, the customer's there, your potential client. You could generate this report and send it straight through to the client in less than 2 to 3 minutes. I mean, that's pretty amazing. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Gives you an understanding of what this app can do for you and your business. And we'll speak again soon.